gonna wait till Saturday to make this video. I don't usually make the Saturday videos during the week, but this chart looks too good to me to wait. So I'm gonna chart BITX, Bitcoin ETF. Fibonacci retracement, 72.8. Bottom is 9.18. And this is for the people that can't afford BTC. This is the ETF for BTC. I did all-time high from the IPO low, and as you can see, we're respecting. I don't really want to do trends for this because I don't think that this will be like a trend-based play. I don't think this will be like a trend-based play. This can be more of a decent spots where I see you can buy shares basically. So I'm gonna do a lot of support and resistance. So I like this resistance right here, lines up with this. I like this resistance right here. If you look at this resistance, it lines up right here, a few touches. Can break and hold above in some spots, some areas. Respecting, and it lines up with my 9 EMA on the daily time frame. We spoke about this before, and as you can see, I made the Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low, and as you can see, we're trying to bounce and hold above the 48.5 zone. So I'm gonna find the next support resistance for this area here. I like this resistance. This resistance lines up right here. See, this lines up. So these are potential areas where you can probably add shares or add leaps. This support, I like to support right here on a 4-hour time frame. It's trying to break and hold below, but it's holding above. Finally broke below. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are downtrending right now. So two things can honestly happen here. We can consolidate at this fib support and break back upside, or consolidate, reject the 9 EMA and visit this $46 support right here on the daily time frame. Let's go back to the daily. So as you can see, we were in a wedge on the daily, broke below after the uptrend. We broke below, death cross right here, went sideways, false breakout, rejected the trend, and came back down for a death cross. We're obviously extended from the 9 EMA, so we can consolidate right here for a relief bounce, or reject from this 54.84 zone and bear flag back down. So I'm not sure where people got in, but instead of blindly just averaging down, these are some zone where you can possibly average in if you already started a position instead of just doing it anywhere. Again, BITX, Bitcoin ETF. If you can't afford Bitcoin and you're thinking long term, this is the next best thing. So This is the daily. This is the daily. This is the 4-hour resistance support, and this is the daily. Yeah. I don't really want to. Again, I don't really want to make trends. I don't feel like this is a trend-based stock. I feel like obviously it's following BTC and it could pop at any time. So if you're not trying to just randomly keep buying shares and you want to find zones to buy share or add to your leaps, these areas seem nice. If you look on the daily at my fib, you can see that when we broke above, we held, broke above, held, bounced at this zone. See, we bounced a few times. You see. So this support is definitely important. As you can see, every time we extend, whether it's upside or downside, we have to come back to revisit the 9 EMA. That's why I said there can be a relief rally after this bounce, because we are extended. Now can we hold these levels after we relief rally instead of bear flagging off of the 9 EMA? See, this is a big support right here too. Big support right here. What could also happen is this could be a head and shoulder. This could be one shoulder. This could be the head. We can come up back to this 59.19, then come back down. As you can see, so this is what I have for BITX. We were in a wedge, broke below. Now we struggle to get back, I guess you could say, in trend. We broke back below the 59.19. See, after every sharp drop like this, we get a bounce, a nice relief rally. So from here we went from 33.48 to 50. After we bounced, after being extended, we bounced, extended, bounced. Right here, extended, bounce, extended, bounce.